So today I wanted to explain how to put together our Strata 160 aluminium frame. So we've laid out our components here. We've got our inner frame with the door already pre-hung. We've got our outer backing flange here, and then we've got our sill section and some extrusions to cover our fixings. So firstly, you'll grab your inner frame. This door usually comes with lift-off hinges, so you can actually remove the door, so it makes working with the inner frame a lot easier. But we would lay that out on our trestles. Grab our backing flange, so that offers up to the inner frame there. So this is actually a 160mm backing flange, and what this does is covers any cavities in the brickwork or for timber construction as well, and gives a good thick frame overall. So firstly, off that up there, so we've got pre-drilled holes that would screw from the backing flange into the inner frame. And there, we'll grab our head backing flange. The backing flanges have screw flutes that enable the screw to locate easily. And then our final jam piece. And then finally our pre-drilled hole in the side as well. There we go. Now we've got our backing flanges attached to the inner frame. We would bring that over to the subseal. So the subseal here can either be fastened down with fixings or just use some adhesive like some liquid nails down to the concrete. We'd bring our backing flange and inner frame and then simply sit that onto the subseal. So there's no actual fixings that go down into the subseal. It's merely just gravity holding it into the subseal, and then obviously that is fixed into the stud on the uprights in the jam. So once we've put our fixings through into the jam, some of our customers also like to put fixings behind the door where the hinges are, just to give it a bit extra rigidity. We would then go ahead and get these extrusions to cover our fixings. So let it sit in there nicely, and then generally it requires a rubber mallet and a piece of wood just to get them to clip in nicely. But once they are clipped in, they are very difficult to get out, so definitely worthwhile making sure everything's fixed off before they're put in. And then finally we'll just put our top sill section into the channel there, and then give that a quick hit, and that'll lock that into place, giving a nice neat finish. So yeah, pretty straightforward. This one obviously doesn't have side lights, so if we did have side lights, there would just be a wider inner frame, and the backing flange would go around the side lights as well. So yeah, hopefully that helps.